first step, you're gonna step left on 8s, and on 1, you're gonna go up into the releve and kick down, step left, step right, come up, kick, down, step right, step left. Okay, so all together it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do a pivot turn, the right foot, right, left, right, left. Then you're gonna swivel to the right and swivel to the left. Okay, so all together again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit, 2, 3, 4. Hit, 2, 3, 4. Turn, turn, swivel, swivel. Okay, from here, you're gonna go around the world, front, side, back, and side. You're gonna dig in your heel with your hips moving side to side. Arms come out like this, bent elbows, not straight. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the music hits, your feet are gonna come together, right, left. So from here, you're gonna go pause up, hop back, and then just like in the other song, you're gonna go up, up, down, down, but we're gonna add in a little head bob here. Bop, 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 okay? So from the swivel, we're gonna go up to the right, up to the left, around the world. 2, 3, 4, hop, 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 up, up, down, down, left, right. And that's your prep step for the single time step. Breakdown is in another video. So I'm gonna move on. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, exit, brush step, full lap, ball change, switch. We're gonna exit out, hit out, cross step into the pause, and out, together. And from here, we're gonna do a shuffle. You're gonna kick your right foot out first, kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So we're gonna go from the time step, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, exit, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, out, in, out, in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last set of moves, you're gonna flat, 2, 3, 4, and this is a brush your ball of your foot and tap. Back up a little bit. Brush tap, brush tap, brush tap, and we're just alternating the shoulders. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next step, you're going to get a little bit low. Gonna step with the right foot, and I'll open, close, open, close, and step, open, close, open. Okay? So from the flaps, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then the right arm comes over. This morning, step right, kick left, up, step, brush up, pointing the foot. You're gonna do this several times. And then when the rats come in from morning, you're gonna bend at the left, bring it to the right, and come back to center. So it's more like a swivel. Up, and on the bump, bump at the end, pause, come in, flip, kick, down. And then on the exit music, you're just going to move, collapse the all the way off center.